how to fix Tapswap wallet connect option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there might be several reasons behind this particular problem. First of all, the reason might be that your Telegram is not up to date. So make sure that you update your Telegram. The second reason could be that this option is not available for you because Tapswap has not given out this particular feature to all the people out there. Due to a good amount of people playing Tapswap, they want to make this particular feature quite smooth and they are just checking it out. That's why it might not be available for you. Simply update your Telegram and after that it should appear. So just wait for a while and you should be able to see this particular option. Then you can connect your wallet and withdraw the funds. And this is how you do it. In case if you want to know more about it, just simply comment down below and we will create one more video helping you out in detail. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos.